Hi there and welcome back to Pine City Apiary. Today we're going to try to take a listen in to see if the bees are, if they're still here. Knock on wood. Alright, so what I've done is taken my external microphone and hooked it up to a skewer, and I'm going to use this stick in the hole. So let's get that done. First we want to kind of check to see if there's any signs of them coming out, doing any cleansing flights, dragging out their dad. And I'm not seeing any. All right, so now we're going to stick the microphone inside the hive, and we're going to try to listen for anything. Just barely can see the Now it did pick up something, but that might just be highway noise. All right, this one's going to be hive stripe. Got one bee there, so that's a good sign. Bees out here, so they could very well Here comes a few more. Not happy about that. We're going to back off. Alright, well, they weren't altogether happy about that. But at least we know now that at least hive stripe is alive. I won't know until I actually edit if the other two made any sounds. I'm hoping they did. That would be a good thing. It's still early. We still got, I'll have to enter the days till spring page right here. Alright, so that's how many days we got left till spring. Can't come soon enough. Anyways, thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Thumbs up are super cool. You too can be super cool if you give us one. If you haven't yet, you ought to subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, and it means a lot to me. When you do subscribe, you'll see a little bell by the subscribe button. Go ahead and click on that bell and you'll get notifications every single time I upload a new video. So again, thanks spring, and thank you for watching, and have a great day.